Today we are going to make black and white abstract art. You will need 2 pieces of white paper, a pencil, I recommend 4B, an eraser, scissors, and a glue stick. First, create a black and white gradient all over the pieces of paper. You can make value from the lightest to the darkest by mixing multiple lines. Starting from the top of the paper, draw hatch lines, then draw more cross-hatch lines to fill it all the way to the bottom. Spread out the lines to create lighter values and draw them closer together for darker values. You can also use other shading techniques like scribbling or blending using a paper towel. If you are happy with that, cut it with scissors to make many different shapes. It could be a geometric shape made of straight lines or an organic shape that resembles nature. As you can see, some shapes have a gradient and others are just gray tones. All of these will make your art look more interesting. Now take out the other piece of paper. Put the cutout shapes aside and get ready to make a collage. Position your shapes on a piece of paper and think about how you're going to put them. Then glue them to the paper one by one. With geometric shapes, you can make it like stacking wooden blocks to build a structure. And with organic shapes, you can make it like collecting rocks or gems to create your own collection. Of course, you can mix them together to create a great composition. Create your own design. Great! What a cool abstract piece! It will be fun to guess what the combination of different shapes and values represent. Do you want to try it with me? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!